Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Farms TV. You are very much welcome. If you are just joining this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you are existing subscriber, thank you very much. You are welcome. Today I want to talk to us about um, credit card, the importance of credit card. We all know that the economy of this country is based on credit and not cash. It's possible out there you might have cash, a lot of cash, but you don't have the credit history. So if you go to any bank or any finance house, you want maybe loan or credit, they might tell you, oh, sorry, we will not be able to offer you credit. And instead, they will ask you if you have cash, you can bring your cash and use it as security. That's what they call maybe like cash back credit, line of credit, or guarantee. So you bring your cash and the bank will give you loan. So let me give you an instance. Let's say you want loan of $20,000. So they will ask you, okay, bring $20,000 cash. We put it in an interest bearing account and we'll give you 20,000 loan. So in order to avoid that, because if you have cash, cash is like birds. They are like flies. You can have it today and disappears tomorrow. So why don't you use it to build that credit right now? So let me quickly mention some important and the benefits of having credit card or using credit card over debit card, because credit card, as I've mentioned, that the economy is credit based. So if you use your credit card, the your transaction history will be recorded by credit bureau. But if you use your debit card, your transaction history is just in your account, just with your bank. That's when your bank statement. It's not be recorded anywhere with credit bureau. So that's why let me quickly mention what are the benefits or advantages or pros of using credit card. The first one is it will build your credit. It will build your credit score. If you use credit card, it will build your credit score as long as you are paying it you are paying making the minimum payment, or you are paying it fully and you don't have any late payment fees, or there is no late payments, missing your payment at any point in time. So if you are regular in your payments, as I when due, it will build your credit. I've done a video about what you can do to build your credit, maybe to use secure credit, or what can things that can lead to having poor or bad credit. So you can check my channel. You see a video that I've done there. So I don't want to repeat it here. So it will build your credit. If you use credit card, it will build your credit score, which you can use to, to get loan or to get line of credit at any point in time. But the debit card, if you are using your debit card, the debit card will not have any credit history for you. So therefore, using your debit card is more like you are just taking money from your account, directly from your account, and the history will just be with your bank and with the statement. The another thing is for using your credit card is that you can get rewards. There is the reward when you use, so many banks have that. There is reward, there is cashback. Cashback in the sense that maybe when you use when you use your card to buy anything, you have 1% cashback, 2% cashback, 3% cashback. So as you are even spending, you are getting your money back. You are getting part of your money back. But in debit card, there is nothing like that. You are just taking your money directly. But if you use your credit card, as you spend, you are getting the money back. And another one is there is reward, that they can say that, oh, okay, if you use your credit card, you are getting points. You'll be getting points, and this reward points, you can use it. You can get it from the bank as maybe like gift card, or you can use that mileage, which you can use to travel, to buy tickets from the travel agents or from the airline to travel. So more like you are getting money back, despite the fact that you know spending spending money. The another one is that there is better consumer protection against fraud. What does that mean? that there is better consumer protection against fraud. What it means is that when you use your credit card, even if the fraudsters, if they have access to your credit and they maybe use it or taking money from it, the bank will give you, will return your credit back immediately. As soon as you complain to the bank, they will first give you provisional credits back into your credit card. And don't forget that is your credit card, you still have money in your account. Let's say you use your debit card and the fraudster, they have access to your debit card. You know, it means they have access to your bank account straight up, and they have access to your money. So even if the bank is going to investigate, it will still take some time, and it's possible that you might have scheduled payments that you need to make, but your money has been taken by whosoever, by a fraudster, and bank has not provided the maybe they have not finished the investigation in order to give you your money back, so you'll not be able to, you know, to meet your payment as a when due. So, and that one will not even good for you. So that's why it's better to use credit card, because the fraud, even if the fraudster use it, your is the credit to the bank. The bank, it's they are fully, they have like fully guarantee and secure it that they will give you your credit back immediately. So that's why you want to use more of credits, your credit card, instead of debit card. The another thing I would say is that insurance. Most of these credit card, they have insurance backed. Credit card, they have insurance backed. So many. If you get the credit card, go through the they always give you like disclosure. Make sure you read them. So many of these credit card, they have insurance that maybe if you use the card, I just give you an instance of one that comes to my head right now. If you use the card to buy tickets from certain airlines, if you miss your luggage, or if you miss your luggage, they will pay you back. The bank, like the insurance, will pay you back. Or if you maybe miss ticket or miss luggage, but just read the disclosure. All these things that are there, they have insurance that you can actually benefit from. But I just think most people don't really read disclosure. When they get it from the bank, they just put it aside. Always read your disclosure. There are so many benefits, insurance benefit that you get when you use your credit card. So another one is that there is this one-time bonuses if you use credit card. For instance, if you use your credit card, I can say, okay, if you use a credit card to purchase maybe 2,000 worth of goods within 3 months or within 4 months, you will get $200 cash back, or you will get $150 cash back, you get $300 cash back. So all those one-time bonuses, you are getting money back from credit card instead of using your debit card. So these are the few benefits that I know that applies if you use your credit card. I'm going to because I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to do another video which is going to talk about the, maybe let's say, the disadvantage. Let me use the word disadvantage. It's not disadvantage really of using credit card, but if you are the type that, for instance, let me just give you one, that if you are the type that you cannot be responsible with credit card, because with credit card you don't have limit. I mean, not limit, like let's say credit card, let's say your limit on credit card is $5,000, but the cash you have in your bank account is, let's say, $800. You know, you have access to more money on your credit card than on your debit card. So if you are not the type that is responsible enough or that can control your spending, then having credit card might not be good enough for you. So it means you have to be responsible with your spending. You have to use it wisely in order to get all this benefit from credit card. If you don't use it wisely, it's going to have a negative impact on you. So I'm going to talk on the other aspect of that. I just give an example. I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes, so I don't want it to be too long. So I'm going to do another video of the other aspects of credit card that you need to be aware of. So I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for joining me today on this program. um, God bless you, and I appreciate you, all my subscribers. I appreciate you, both the prospective one and the existing one. I love you all. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.